Welcome students in AK Mishra physics classes. Today I am going to explain about the topic magnetic field produced due to current carrying circular loop. This is very important which help us to know the strength of magnetic field and which help us to apply this rule in our daily life. I am just trying to show you a circular coil like this. This circular coil I have just made it in two turns. You can make it in number of turns, and just below that this is perpendicular to the horizontal table surface supposing, and below that there is a battery connected, and if the current passes through this circular coil, what happens? We observe that at every point of the coil, let us consider here there is a circular coil whose radius is R and it is connected with a circuit whose voltage. Then key is in on position. We observe that the current flows in circular coil. It is observed that at every point of the circular coil, magnetic field lines is produced in the form of circles. Supposing there is a 2 points, first point and second point, and we apply the law here, right hand thumb rule. Then we use this rule to find the direction of magnetic field. Here the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise. Just the current is in upward direction. And the other side, when the current goes down, then the direction of the magnetic field is clockwise. What we observe that there are magnetic field lines produced continuously till the flow of current, and we see that the shape of circular field lines, magnetic field lines increases, and at the center it becomes parallel. It becomes parallel. This shows that the magnetic field lines will be parallel. This shows that, students, the magnetic field is uniform at the center. Is uniform in the center, at the center of the circular coil. Circular coil is just kept perpendicular on the surface table. Observe that what we observe that if the amount of flow of current increases, the strength of the magnetic field, increases. So magnetic field induction strength is directly proportional to the flow of current. And if this radius of the circular coil loop becomes bigger, then the magnetic field strength becomes smaller, weaker, inversely proportional to. So B is, supposing B, let B is the strength of magnetic field, we can say that new term magnetic field induction. So B is inversely proportional to R. अगर आपका सर्कुलर लूप बड़ा होते जाएगा तो B का स्ट्रेंथ कम होते जाएगा, वीकर होते जाएंगे. सो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है, and if we number of turns in insulating wire circular coil present in circular coil increases, the strength of the magnetic field increases. So we can say that B is directly proportional to I, B is inversely proportional to R, B is directly proportional to number of turns present in the coil. So these are the factors upon which the strength of the magnetic field produced in the circular coil. So one more expression can be written here, mu naught into n into I by 2r. Okay, this is in higher classes. This is in mu is equal to constant absolute permeability of the space, medium. Here the space, free space, vacuum you can take. So in higher classes you can be interacted with that. So what we observed that? So the direction of magnetic field line is used to find the, what we can find? We used to find the direction of flow of current, or if the direction of flow of current is known, we can find the direction of flow of magnetic field lines. Both are equivalent here. If you know the direction of flow of current, you know the direction of flow of magnetic field lines, and vice versa. These are the important. Which rule is applied? Right hand thumb rule given by Maxwell's. So right hand thumb rule in this circular coil, right hand thumb rule is applied to find the direction of magnetic field lines. Okay, and students, try to understand this circular coil again. If the current passes this circular coil, then it behaves as a magnet, electromagnet. This behaves as a electromagnet. How can we know? The front face of the coil, the front face of the coil behaves as a north pole, and back face of the coil behaves as a south pole. How can we find this? Just you are looking here. Observe this point. The magnetic field lines go in inward direction. Supposing the coil is kept perpendicularly on the surface, then front face is north and back face will be south as a magnet, south of the magnet. So a current carrying coil behaves as a magnet. Around this, the magnetic field is produced. Once again, if the terminus gets reversed, the polarity of the circular coil carrying current becomes reversed, and it will behave as a magnet till the flow of current. I hope that this will help you to increase your knowledge in magnetic field lines produced due to current carrying circular coil. Thank you.